Hi, yesterday one of my potential client asked me questions, and I asked her that if just two questions. Let's said how often you do this thing, and she says is every week, how on monthly basis, right? And she says every week she will spend some time on doing this task, and it's very repetitive. And then every way she would spend a day to do that. A day would be, and I'll say, how many hours? Can I assume it's 8 hours? She says yes. So then 8 hours times 60 minutes, that would be 480 minutes. Okay, so 6 times 8. No, 8 hours times 60 minutes, 480 minutes. And then you only repeat one times a week. That's just, one day in a week, but there's a 4 weeks, and times 12 months, you get a whopping of 23 thousands of the minutes. And in that means that you will take annually 16 days 16 days to do this task. In typically uh, per person will how many, that one you can calculate. Now next one is that equals to how much. That's assuming that the person is 8,000 salary, because it's a manager level. So a manager that spend her task per hour is actually 50 ringgit. That's including all the gross salary, employee benefit. So that goes to 19,000 to close to that. Okay, so now if I'm able to reduce it to merely per task in less than, not even 1 minute. Okay, let's just put it 1 minute then. Okay, 1 minute, right? From 480 per task, now it reduced to just 1 minute. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe just 5 minutes. So 400 minutes become 5 minutes. You still do that every week, but it reduced from 223,000 minutes to 240 minutes. Would that be good? And how much does it save? In terms of time, it saves 22,800 minutes. In terms of monetary, we can just key in the monetarily, and you get to see is that is reduced by 19,000. So it only takes 200 ringgit to perform this task, no longer 19,200, which previously done. Now, that is only if the persons, my potential clients, accept my proposal. Now let's look at it. What is really needed is that here is a typical Lazada mall, some transactions. So what she is currently doing is that she needs to copy this one and put it here, and then double click here, and then the next one is LazMall, then you have to copy here. So let me just give you a good example right now. Let's just delete a few here. So it's like this: copy this, and then paste it here, and then copy it down somewhere here. Okay, and then copy this. Oh, it's not here. Okay, it should be here. Okay, and then right click, paste it here. So that points some post some possible error. So you see that it's always stopped somewhere at this one here. So how do we know it stop here? Because of this date. So it signal that this is the end of the transaction, and that goes to the next transaction. Now if you can use your eyes to track it, that is possible to do a Power Query, which is part of the Power BI. Now you can use that tools to help you. So now let's look at, this is the data that I copy here. So now let's just take a look that I have completed this Power Query after spending many years of research and solving one problem after another. I even developed a solution for how to extract. The idea is very similar to this, right? This is from this YouTube Excel Power Query Maybank bank statement that I derived the solution for this one also. They are similar but not exactly. Now what happened is that here, now let's see here, this is JJMS, right? So now if I just change it to say well, okay, amazing, let's say it's amazing Excel, okay, enter, and this one is changing to cool system. Okay, so let's say this is two. This is one of the brand in LazMall, Lazada Mall, and then this cool system. So it's all fictitious data. Now let's go to the table 2. You see they are still the same, but what I need is just right click, refresh. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Is that cool? So right here, it goes here. So the idea is to take, extract the index column, no, create index column, and then after that, you move this value into the next column, so that from there you extract that that brand's column value into a new column. So the whole solution I will provide to my potential client. She should agree with my fee. But I'm just showing you that it is possible. It's not impossible. It is already possible to reduce that 400 minutes job into 5 minutes. And I can help you to reduce a monthly labor cost of 1,500, and that's equivalent to 19,000 a year. If you repeat it for 10 years, it's 190,000. So how much would you compensate me for doing this? So now I would like to ask my potential client. So thanks for watching. This is a demo, and if you want to know, want to engage me for your future consulting work, so do contact me, and you need to provide me a sample file, your questions, and I will devise a solution based on Power Query or Power BI or macro or some other function. But you need to tell me how. Be very truthful, right? Because if you say that I only do it one time a month, 1 year, one time per year, then I suggest you don't waste time. Just continue to do it, because it won't save you a lot of time, and you only do like, I only do 10 times, and I don't do I only do one time per I mean, just really one time, so you won't save a lot, only save you 4 ringgit. Why not you just do copy and paste? That's what do, right? You don't need to engage me, because your quantum is very low, not worth it, nothing to proud about. Right, just continue copy and paste. But if your data is, the volume is large, huge, and it takes you a lot of times and many ways, and you repeat it every single week or every day, anyone, then look for me, right? Because I can help you to reduce to from every month you take 4, and then 4 weeks. Every month have 4 weeks, right? So just say 4 weeks, right? And then you take a day. That is cool. That is cool. Right now, I'm interested to help you to reduce it to You have seen it. It's just 1 million actually. Right? I save you further 160 ringgit. And that depends on your salary. Even your salary is 3,000, a decent one, I can still save you 7,000. But if you are manager level, you couldn't be getting a 3,000 salary. So you most likely will get say, oh, now I'm getting 8,000, I'm getting 6,000. You're right. But don't forget that you have your company also paid you medical expenses, outpatient pensions, insurance, and all other benefit, right? That is your true money benefit. That is, so as well. Now that's not 6,000. That's easily another 2,000. Maybe, okay, let's give you a discount at 7,000. Still, I can help you to save 16,000 in a year. Times 2 is already 32,000. So how much would you compensate me for giving you a solution? Now, if you don't want to compensate me, it's okay. I suggest you to go to my YouTube channel and study this video. Then hopefully you can get the answer by yourself. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, and I wish you good. God bless you. God bless Asia.